You don't need 40 extra hours a week to change your life. Sometimes, all it takes is 10 focused hours. 10 hours that most people waste scrolling, binge-watching, or complaining. 10 hours that you can transform into $1,000 every single month. This isn't a fantasy, it's a blueprint. And today, I'll break it down step by step. But first, hit that subscribe button. Because on Gen Z Dollar, we don't just talk money. We design the playbook for financial freedom. $1,000 a month isn't magic, it's math. Think of it like this, $1,000 on 10 hours a week, equals $25/hour. So here's the shift. You don't need a second job. You need a skill, a system, or a platform that pays above minimum wage. That's where side hustles come in. If you have skills, the internet is your marketplace. Freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr, graphic design, writing, coding, tutoring on Wizant or Preply, math, languages, SAT prep, remote consulting in anything from fitness to business. Even 5-10 clients at $50 each equals your $1,000. No skill, no problem. Leverage platforms, DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, TaskRabbit for moving or repairs, Amazon Flex for deliveries. Yes, it's active income, but you set your hours and it adds up fast. 2 nights a week, a Saturday morning shift. That's your $1,000. The real unlock? Digital side hustles. Create an ebook or online course once and sell it forever. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok on a niche passion. Sell print-on-demand merch, no inventory needed. It starts slow, but this is where 10 hours can compound into $5,000 plus months. Here's the secret. Don't pick just one hustle, stack them. 5 hours freelancing, 3 hours platform gig, 2 hours digital build. Don't just make $1,000, multiply it. Reinvest your side hustle cash into ETFs or index funds, starting a micro business, paying off debt to free future income. Every $1,000 is a brick in your freedom wall. 10 hours, that's all it takes. The choice is yours. Tell me in the comments, what would you do with an extra $1,000 a month? And don't forget, hit subscribe to Gen Z Dollar, because your side hustle isn't just survival, it's your escape plan.